Do you have any idea about these flowers? What are they called? I think they are called peace lily. See, they look amazing, awesome. All flowers are beautiful. I haven't seen them before. So it really attracted my attention long back, and I was planning to show you these flowers. Peace lily. Perhaps it will bring peace to the entire world. Good morning. See, I think it's time 6:10 now. It's quite dark outside. Yeah, it's quite dark. So now I have woken up at 5:30. I was just sitting there, but it's quite dark. I'm planning to go outside for a walk, but now I can't. Let it get a little bit clear and then I'll go for a walk. Came out for a walk. Now it's quite clear. Sun has come out. It was quite dark at 6:10, wasn't it? So, as I said, I always take walk in my campus in the means in the society where I live. Some people do walk, but otherwise they come quite late. It's not cold, but I've taken a shawl, to protect myself because for last 3-4 days I wasn't well. So, yeah, this is the place. I think you can see. So, let's find out what I'll do today. Cooking as usual. The kitchen, all ladies' kitchen work. That cannot be ignored. So, yeah, there is someone walking at my back, I can see. Today I'm planning to go out. Go out in the sense not very far, around my area, around my neighborhood. There are a few temples which I haven't seen yet. So I might show you that. It is a swimming pool in the society, but it's very dirty. It has been empty for almost a year, since last March. No one is allowed to swim, because of this pandemic as usual. So, oh, that's a good banana tree. Good bananas are there. I love raw bananas. How many of you like raw bananas? You can make kofta curry with that. See, the pool is so dirty. They haven't cleaned yet. This is a little place, basketball court. This is also not well maintained, but children play here. Oh, the Christmas tree decoration is still there here. Long ago, Christmas gone. Oh, so nice. Yeah. These are basil leaves, which I often, use in my cooking. Finally back home after a walk, after half an hour of walking. Yeah, it's a good exercise. Earlier I used to swim a lot, but now, I can't. So, yeah, half an hour of walking. People are still walking. Now it's my time for tea. And then as usual, household chores. The weather is brilliant. Lovely weather. I think it's 7:40 now. I went at 6:45. Yes. Okay, I'll see you later. This is a school close to my house, which is called Neve Academy. Can you see it? Yeah, it's at the back. It's called Neve Academy. It's a big school. ICAC and IB both are taught over here. So let me go a little bit backward. Maybe you can see it. Yeah. So this is the school. I've taken my sunglasses out, you know, because my eyes are turning red because of this pollution and dust. So these are all my neighborhood areas. These are my locality. My apartment housing complex is just 50 meters away from this place. So, nice area, nice locality. There is another housing locality over here. I don't know whether you can see it. Hi, how are you? Good, just speak. Come, speak. No? No school? Holidays? Okay. This road has got too much of traffic. Okay, I'm going to the temple now, and after temple I'll go to the grocery shop to buy few things. All the school buses are parked here. You can see. I see you can see it. And at the back there is another residential complex. This is the graveyard, you know, which I don't like to show, but still it falls on my way, it comes on my way, you know. Here in South India I have seen all the Hindus they bury. In Hindus we generally cremate, but here they bury their bodies, they don't cremate. Anyway, it's up to them. So this is a graveyard very close to my place. There's another one that side also. I know. This was the temple I was talking about. It's a good temple and quite a big one. See, it's so nice, isn't it? But they have closed it. They are not allowing anybody to go inside. See, there is a huge lock hanging near the gate. I wanted to go here and see. Oh my goodness, see. My wish wasn't fulfilled. For this only I came. A long way. Not a long way, it's very close to my place only. But very nice. Anyway, what to do? Here, generally people come here mainly during the Shivratri. But this is closed. When they open, God knows. It's up to their whims when to open and when to close. This is another temple which they have kept it closed. Everything is closed. You cannot see anything. This was a lake actually at one point of time. It is called Belandur Lake. Can you see at the back? People used to come here 20 years ago. I mean, it was beautiful. Now the lake has been so dirty, you know, filled with lotus leaves. People don't here come here. Government has, you know, sealed all over with these nets, you can see, and trees, so they cannot come here. And there are of course high-rise buildings at the back of the lake. This area of course is empty, nothing is there, but at the back cows are grazing very close to my place. The roads are also always desolate. You know, people are all traveling in cars. Here people don't walk. They all go to the gym. No walking on the road. But it's nice. Now I'm heading home. As usual, it's very hot now. Scorching heat. Can't be on the road anymore. So these are the places which are close to my house, you know. Okay, bye. If you like it, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.